Let me tell you something no one warned us about. Most of us don't have a money problem. We got a decision problem. By 2 p.m., your brain be tired. You'd have made like 87 tiny decisions before lunch. So when somebody says, hey, you want to go get food? Your brain be like, yas, whatever. Swipe the card. I'm done. That's the trap. Your bank account doesn't get messed up from the big decisions. Mm-mm. It gets messed up from all of the little autopilot ones you make when your brain is cooked. When your brain is tired, everything looks like a good idea. That $14 coffee, good idea. The Target run, great idea. Snacks at checkout, amazing idea. But none of those are good ideas. That was your brain just clocked out. And the wow part is everybody around you picks up on your spending patterns, kids, partners, friends. Then they copy how you move with money. Here's the rule that changed everything for me: make money decisions when your brain is fresh, not fried. Morning car ride, bathroom break, right after you eaten and your attitude is back online. That's when you decide, not when you are drained. If you want to save money faster, lower the number of decisions in your brain to make. Set defaults, okay? Default meals, default stores, default money rules. When you don't have to think so much, you don't have to spend so much. If you want my $9 emotional spending fix, the one that helps you check your decisions before your feelings swipe your card, comment feelings and I'll send it to you.